Understanding Dead on One's Feet, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, dead on one's feet. Have you ever felt so tired that you could barely stand? Well, this idiom perfectly captures that feeling. Let's break it down together and find out how to use it in everyday conversation. Dead on one's feet is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is extremely tired or exhausted, but still standing or continuing with their activities. Despite the dramatic word, dead, this phrase is not about actual death. Instead, it symbolizes the extreme level of fatigue that one might feel after a long day of work, an intense workout, or any activity that drains one's energy. While the exact origin of dead on one's feet is not clear, idioms like this one often emerge from everyday experiences. This particular phrase likely comes from the visual and physical sensation of feeling so tired that one feels as if they're about to collapse, yet remains upright. Over time, it has become a popular way to express a common human experience of exhaustion. To help you understand how to use dead on one's feet, let's look at a few examples. After running the marathon, I was dead on my feet but thrilled to have finished. The nurse, after a 12-hour shift, was dead on her feet but continued to provide excellent care. "You look dead on your feet," said my friend. "Let's get you home so you can rest." Notice how the phrase can be adjusted slightly, my feet, her feet, to match the subject of the sentence. It's a versatile expression that you can use in various contexts to describe exhaustion. Interestingly, dead on one's feet is not the only way to express extreme tiredness in English. Other similar expressions include burnt out, running on fumes, and wiped out. While each of these idioms has its own nuance, they all convey the feeling of being significantly drained of energy. We hope this exploration of dead on one's feet has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one are not just about the words themselves but about conveying a deeper feeling or situation that many of us experience. We encourage you to try using dead on one's feet in your conversations to express exhaustion in a vivid and relatable way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.